could do it all again, I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got some happy mail today and I'm pleasantly surprised. I wasn't expecting it at all. She didn't tell me that she sent it, so it was such a surprise. I got this from my friend Donna, and she contacted me and asked if I would like to do something Christmas. We decided on a flip book. So I love swapping with Donna. We did a Halloween swap. If you haven't seen it, it's over on my channel. I will pop a card up for that. But yeah, I'm so excited to see it. It's a flip book. She always does really amazing work, and she's just one of my favorite swap buddies. So here is the package here. I'm so excited to get into it. Look at this adorable, I guess it's like a Santa. It's like a little Santa guy here. And these are mine. I put them to cover up the addresses, but. So let's go ahead and get into it. I can't wait any longer.
We got him off, yay! I can reuse this little guy. He's cute.
All right, guys, I finally got into it. She did an amazing job wrapping it. I couldn't even get in. Okay, so here we go. Looks like she put the card on the side here. Very cute. Look at the card that she made. Oh, thank you, Donna. That's so sweet that you thought of me for this gnome paper. She mentioned gnome paper. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what she was talking about. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Okay, look you guys, they're gnomes. Oh my gosh, Donna, these are so cute. So adorable. I wonder if these are, you guys remember in my last haul video, you guys remember I hauled these? Which I swear they had like gnomes and stuff on them. I wonder, let me know, Donna, are these a part of the Pebbles Cozy and Bright collection? If not, somebody else is putting some cute stuff out. Okay, let's see here. She always makes really cute stuff. So she made this little card here. Oh, what are these called? Memory Dex cards, I believe is what they're called. So this is my first Memory Dex card. I haven't received any Memory Dex cards, so that's really exciting. So she's got the little gnome guys. It looks like she die cut the gnomes, so that's a really cute die cut set. The little fox. It says Gnome Sweet Gnome. And then their little mushroom house there. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. I love this so much. Okay. All right. Anyways, so moving on. That is so cute. She said, I'm not the greatest card maker, but I do enjoy making them. I hope you can use these. I'm sure I can, Donna. I can't wait to see them. Oh, okay. She did some wire bending. Awesome. Looks like I would guess that she did this herself. So you did such a great job. I love this. I've never received any wire bending from a friend either. So I'm getting a bunch of firsts today. This is so incredibly cute. Thank you so much. I love it. It's a bird, you guys. And I love the little detail of like, that looks like a wing. That's awesome. Okay. Let's look at these cards. I'm sure she did great on them. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't even know what you were talking about not being good at them. This is so cute. This looks store-bought. This is adorable. Look at this gnome. It's like a gnome Santa or something. Same as the guy that she stuck on. Oh, if I can get it off. Same as the guy she stuck on the outside. So cute. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. You did really great detailing on the trees. Look at that. It's like puffy snow. So cute. And then maybe it looks like she did some stenciling up here at the top. Oh, I think those are maybe she die cut those. So like that is some craftsman. You've got more patience than I do, Donna. I am so not patient when it comes to making like the really small die cuts and gluing them and stuff. I have no patience. This glitter paper that she used on the ground is really pretty because it looks just like snow. That's so cute. And then she popped up this gnome Santa guy with 3D foam tape. This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, Donna. I love, 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 love this. So cute. I know I've said so cute a million times, but it just is. And I think she made this card too, which the card, I mean, not card, but envelope, and this card fits perfect into that envelope. Beautiful. I can't wait to see the next one. That was so good. Oh my gosh, warmest winter wishes. Again, the gnome guys. So I've been thinking about, it's funny that she sent me gnome stuff because I have been thinking about making some of those really cute, I think they're like Swedish gnomes, some Scandinavian country. But if you guys know what I'm talking about, leave a comment in the comment section below. But they're like the little gnome heads with the hat, and all you can see is the nose and the beard sticking out. I'm gonna try to make me some of those. So cute, because I've been like really obsessing over all the gnome stuff this Christmas. It's so cute. But anyways, back to her really pretty card. It looks like she used some pencils on it. So cute. I love that she did the penciling herself. Oh, so adorable. And then she used some little snowflake sequins there. Kind of did some distressing around the outside, and then the white stamping in the background. So pretty. Oh, I love that. And then she did a stamp on the inside. These are beautiful. So Donna, I don't even know what you were talking about. These look awesome. You're definitely good at it. So good. I love these. Okay, so that was just the stuff that she put on top, you guys. That doesn't even include the, we can get rid of this box now, the flip book that she sent me. So in her letter, she said that she thinks she made it a little too big, but we'll see. So I think I've made two flip, well, I'm working on hers right now, which I'll go ahead and show you the back side of it. That way I'm not giving anything away, but I feel like I finally made it a pretty good size. But I made my last one, I think, too big. I made the one before that too thick, like the main material too thick. So I think you just learn every time, like what works, what doesn't work. Oh my gosh. I almost said it's so cute because it is, it's so cute. Okay. Okay, so this is the front. I already saw the back, sneak peek at the back. This is amazing. This is so good. Okay. So it says Merry Christmas. I love the way that she did this thing right here where, let's see, how did she attach it? Looks like she put a piece of like harder cardstock back behind there. So she like wrapped this baker's twine around it several times and then did like, when she came around, she had it. That is so smart. So there's the front. So cute. Okay. And then here's the back. She put my name and these 3D puppy stickers. Look at this huge Santa face. Oh my gosh. And this trim is too adorable. The trim looks like his hair. I love this. Okay. So cute. This is so impressive, like the way that she did this. Okay, so, oops, looks like that little guy got caught in there. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, so I was feeling all good about my flip book, thinking it looked so cute and like the best one yet. And then she sends me this and now I'm like, oh, I need to make mine better now because hers is so good. All right, so on the inside here, she did use some really cute Christmas gnome paper. It's like she knew, like I'm into the Christmas gnomes this year. So happy holidays. Love that Christmas tree die cut there. So this first one here is like a big envelope kind of. Look at this pretty detailing she did on the inside here. Another one of my favorite little gnome guys. I love him. Let me know, Donna. I would love to know, where did you find all of these gnome die cuts? They're so cute. They kind of look like maybe Michael's, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. All right, and then let's see what she included. It looks like she put some stuff in the envelope. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right, so something tells me, Donna, that you have been watching my hauls, or not my hauls, but my videos. I have been saying how much I've been in love with vellum. Like it's either coincidence or she has been paying attention. That's a good friend right there. So I love vellum. I am so obsessed with vellum. Look at all of the vellum that she sent me. This one is stars. Oh my gosh. I've never seen mermaid vellum. What? Mermaid. Unicorn. Oh my goodness. Just like some red. I love that. This is really pretty, and it feels like it's embossed. So, oh wow, it's sparkly, or not sparkly, but metallic-y. And it does have some embossing to it. That one's super pretty. Some roses, love it. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is perfect for Christmas. The music notes. Polka dot, I love the polka dot too. Ooh, this one's pretty. So cute, just like a floral. And then this one's like metallic. The metallic cardstock, so pretty. That is so sweet. I love, yay, I'm like stocked up on some vellum now. So sweet, thank you, thank you, thank you. So sweet. Okay, and then she did like a little vellum envelope right here. I don't wanna like mess it up. Okay, yeah, I guess I was supposed to take it off right there. And it looks like she stuck some stuff down in it. This little star, pretty. So it looks like it was a wooden star that's been painted with some metallic paint. Very pretty. It's got the adhesive sticker on the back. I love that. Okay, so that was a super fun first. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, this says I'll be gnome for Christmas. What? I feel this is so embarrassing. Do you guys ever do things where like you get in the habit of saying something? Like lately in my mind I've been saying like what the what? What the what? I don't know why. Like if something like blows my mind, I'll be like what the what? I probably heard one of my kids at school saying it. So just now I was like what the what in my mind. So hashtag what the what. I'll be gnome for Christmas. Oh my gosh. What is this puffy paint you're using, Donna? This is so cool. I have to get me some of this. Very, very pretty. Okay, so she's got the two little gnome guys, their little gnome house. Cute. She die cut some details in the back. Look at this Christmas tree with the presents down here. The mushrooms. Oh my gosh, this is just the cutest collection ever. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. All right, let's see what she included. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Some people are gonna be like unsubscribing to my channel because they can't stand like me saying it's so cute a million times, so I totally apologize, but dang guys, like look at this. And I can feel something on the back that feels super cool. Oh my gosh, she used, I love this stuff. What do you even call it? It's like the dimensional cardboard type stuff, whatever it is, but she makes really amazing tags. She makes really amazing everything, but amazing tags. Oh my gosh, it says oh joy. It's got my gnome guy again, a fox. Look at that mushroom. What the what? That is so adorable. Oh, I can't. Okay. And then, no way, she sent me some dies. Oh my gosh, that was so nice of you. Thank you so much. She sent me some dies. So it says season greetings, Noel, joyous, happy. I can't tell what that one says. Happy of holiday. Oh, just happy of holidays. Cheer, New Year. That is so cute. I will use these all the time. Thank you so much. I love these. That was so nice of you. So nice of you. All right, so stick those over there. And then this one right here, this is super adorable too. Again, gnome guy, fox. They both have, his little hat is popped up dimensional, and then the fox's face is popped up dimensional. It says believe. She is so good at this stuff. Donna, I'm so impressed. So impressed. All right. And then she's got one of these little envelopes that are able to be closed. Yay, she sent me some of these super cute stickers. I still have to know, please, 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 comment below and tell me where you got all this gnome stuff, Donna. I have to get my hands on some of it. It's so cute. Okay, look at these gnome stickers. I'm gonna hoard these. I'm not gonna be able to let myself use these. These are way too cute. And then look at these deer. What? So cute. Yeah, I need to know. I'm gonna guess Michael's, so maybe I'm right. I don't know. But yeah, I need to know. I need to know. So cute. Okay, so, oh, I love those so much. Those are so adorable. I'm gonna have to try to make a flip book like this because this is so cool. All right, again, I am loving this paper that she used. She used some Christmas tree washi down here. And then she just loaded this puppy up. You're so sweet, Donna. So nice and so talented. So these are so cute. Look at these. They're like little gnome portraits. And she went around and detailed the outside of, it almost looks like a stamp. But she used like little gold paint around the outside. That is so cute. She did it on both of them. That is adorable. And look at this poinsettia that she made. The paper is like a really cool, almost like a cold pressed paper, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But oh my goodness, you totally just loaded me up on stuff. Okay, so looks like she sent me a bunch, which this is cool. I've never thought to make these, but yeah, so these are super cool. I'm assuming there's not anything on the inside, but I'll just double check. I don't think there probably is. Yeah, there's not, but these are so cute. I'll definitely use these on my future flip books that I make. Did you make these, Donna? Or did you buy them? They're so good, I can't tell. Like if you made them, they look so awesome. But yeah, those are so cute. I don't have any of these, so that is awesome. And then she sent me some of the, like a bigger one. And then some stamped images. Oh my gosh, these stamped images are amazing. What? And, oh great, okay, so my husband just drove up, which means he's gonna come in and be super loud, so I'm probably gonna have to voice over the rest. I am so sorry. I love these too. You can do so much with these. These are amazing. I'm probably gonna watercolor these tonight. These are so awesome. Okay, and then the last one here. Oh my gosh.